How to enhance brightness in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Start menu, then go to Settings. After that, go to System. Now, go to Power and Battery. After that, in this power mode, go to Best Power Efficiency and drag down this button. Now select Best Performance. Now, your will be set for best performance. That means your brightness will be maximum and will be optimized for the best. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.